Okay, so the math problem is, because it's hard to see on the camera.
500 minus 140.
Okay.
So, since these two are zeros, it's going to be 0. And so I just take away that. And then I had to know what 50 plus 14 is.
50 minus 14.
50 minus 14. And so, I just used my fingers.
So what's the next part of the math problem you have to do?
The next part is the answer. Congratulations, you know how to do minus.
I know how to do minus. Do you know how to do minus? Oh, okay. So what's the next step? I'm watching you.
The next step. Those are all the steps.
That was not all the steps. How do you get the tens place?
How do you get the tens place?
Well, solve it for me then. Just solve it. How are you going to solve it? Remember I showed you how to do it.
I forgot.
So 0 minus 4, you can't really do that, right?
Yeah.
So how do you make 0 able to minus 4? You turn it into
A 1. A 2. A 3.
no, stop. You turn it into 10. You steal it from the hundreds place.
I don't get it.
So it's like turning the 0 into a 10.
I know that.
Okay. So then what don't you get?
The part is just like stealing it from the 100.
Yeah, you're stealing it from the hundreds place. So the 100 drops down 1. Get it? So that's why you're stealing it. So yeah. So cross out the 5 and put a 4. Okay? So now your 0 is a 10. So it's 10 minus 4, which is you may use your fingers if you choose. Come on, you can do it, genius.
6.
Good.
Where did I put 6?
Underneath the 10 and the 4, silly.
Underneath the 10 and the 4.
In the tens place. What did we say the answer was? Okay. So now you have to do the hundreds subtraction. So it's 4 minus 1, right?
3.
So how much change did Mommy get back from the bank?
160.
Congratulations, you did math. Monopoly math. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, Hopey. So, what's the problem?
300 minus 280.
Be loud.
300 minus 280.
Okay. Because I paid the bank $300 for a property that was only $280. So how much does the bank have to give me back in change? Let's see you do your work.
Wait, what do we do with the tens again?
So if it's a 0 and it obviously is the smallest number, you have to make it a bigger number by stealing from the hundreds place so that you turn the 0 into 10.
So it'll be 3.
So if you steal from the hundreds place, right? You take the whatever's in the hundreds and you go down one number. So the 3 becomes
A 2.
okay, so do that. And then you put the 1 in front of the 0 and it now becomes 10.
The 1 slot on the 0.
Right, so it becomes 10. Right? So now your problem is 10 minus what?
2.
No. What's in the tens place in the second number?
8.
Okay, so it's 10 minus
8.
Okay, so what's the answer?
The answer
Of 10 minus 8.
of 10 minus 8 is 2.
Okay, so write it down. Now, in the hundreds place, you have 2 now minus,
This is what I have.
I think no, baby.
Did I do it wrong?
Yeah, I don't know why you wrote 2 down twice. Let me write it again. Okay. All right, it's 300 minus 280. Okay, so start over. 0 minus 0, right? Okay, so now you have 0 minus 8, which you can't do, right? So you turn the 0 into a 10. So just put a 1 in front of it, just real small, up at the top corner, turn it into a 10. So what's 10 minus 8?
2.
You write that under that. And then where the 3 is, you cross the 3 out. And that turns into a 2. So you write the 2 next to the 3. So now the problem is what? 2 minus...
2.
Okay, so bring that down.
That's 0.
You can write it or you can leave it blank. So now, how much change do I get back from the bank?
20.
There you go. Okay, our next Monopoly math problem.
500 minus 200.
Okay,
So, we're just going to write a 0
okay,
and then a 0 again.
okay.
And so, we have the math problem of 5 minus 2. This should be pretty easy.
I would think so.
This would be 300.
Is that right? Congratulations, you solved that one pretty quickly.
Yep.
All right, tell the bank to pay you. Give me that change. Don't forget to put the 500 in. So now how do you get your 300?
Why is there 2 minus?
I don't know.
I'm just gonna put them in the bag. Nothing to worry about.
Okay. Why are you taking ones?
Koda, Koda!
What? Why are you taking ones? How do you make... That's too many ones. We do not have 301s, baby. What are you doing? Take your change. This game is taking too long. Remember, we only set it for an hour. Baby girl, what are you doing? 300.
These are my money.
Why are you taking the little bills?
This makes 300.
No, it doesn't. 1, okay. Plus a 10. That's 110. Plus another 10 is 120.
Plus a 10.
That's 130. You're still short. 170.
Oh, I don't know how to count my tens.
300, baby. Okay, now it's a math problem again. Addition. So 100 plus how many hundreds do you need to make 300? Okay, let's see. Show the computer. Oh my gosh. Show the camera. My brain today. What? Itty bitty money. Okay, thank you. You solved both sides of the equation. All right, Hopey's buying another property.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Monopoly Math. Our problem for today will be 500 minus 260. So, we know that if there is 2 zeros, so if we add 2 plus 0.
We're not adding.
0 plus 0.
Hey, we're not adding.
Will be 0.
0 minus 0 is also 0, which is what we're doing.
No, 0 minus 0 is actually
0.
-1.
It is not -1. -1 is 0 minus 1. But 0 minus 0 is 0, my darling.
What'd you say?
0 minus 0 is 0.
1 minus 2. What's that?
1 minus 2 is -1.
We have 0 plus 0 equals 0.
We're not plussing.
Stop!
It's a subtraction problem.
Stop with the talking.
Hey, if you are going to teach Monopoly math, you need to teach it properly.
I'm going to teach it my way.
Then I will not share this anymore. Mm-mm. No, because teaching it Hopey's way is teaching it wrong. And we are not. Stop giving me the wrist.
I'm not giving you from me.
Give me the wrist. You're going to teach Monopoly math properly. Please. I will stop recording you. Do you want me to stop recording you? Fine. Okay, let's try this again.
So 0 minus
Thank you.
0 is 0.
Thank you.
So if we have 0 minus 6,
Uh-huh.
that cannot be possible. Well,
Uh-huh.
it's possible, but we're not doing it that way. So we will replace this.
We're not doing it that way because that's not the whole problem, right? If it was literally 0 minus 6, then we wouldn't have a choice but to continue with the problem. But because it's a much bigger number, we don't have to do it that way. Continue.
I don't get what you just said.
Don't worry about it.
So we're going to replace this 0 with a 2. So 10 minus 6 is 4.
Your face.
So 10 minus 6.
Did hard.
Is 4. So we are going to write a... Wait, did I do this backwards? Nothing happened. Nothing died.
Okay.
Oh, I need to add a detail. Okay. So now we just have 5 minus 2.
Is it still 5 though?
Stop. Get some help.
You stole from the 5, remember?
I know.
To make the 10? What is happening right now? Remember when you steal from the 5 to make a 10, you have to make the other place go down 1.
What?
When you steal from the other place, so from this, you're stealing from the hundredths place for the tens place, right?
Can you say it again, please?
Okay, so when you made the 0 in the tens place, the number 10, you stole a number from the hundredths place. So it can't be 5 anymore. It goes down 1 number. So 5 is not 5 anymore. What should it be?
4. So we have 4 minus 2. What is 4 minus 2?
I don't know. Are you going to tell me?
Great! I am not Dora the Explorer.
Who just answered you? The audience?
Yeah.
Is that what you're expecting? What did the audience say?
No.
What's the answer?
So,
Strange
if you
child.
do not answer,
Okay.
I will leak your phone number to
What?
everybody and your address.
Hopey, you don't even know your own phone number and address. How are you going to steal theirs? Finish the math problem. Our game is nearly over. Don't worry, though. I think you're winning.
So it is 2. So we will have 240.
Okay, let's see. The bank will give you $240 then.
$240.
I'd like to see this.
Where does the 500 to go?
At the end. What? Let's see you come up with
Thanks.
240.
Please pay me $240.
Okay, you know how to take it. Off to a good start. Just tossing money around.
1, 2, 3,
What?
4.
You like your tens, don't you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
A little bit too much there, kid. You know you could just use 2 20s, right? But yes, that is correct. Finally,
Okay.
this problem is solved. Thank you. You're going to count 15 going up.
Oh, okay.
Concentration on your face right now.
Doctor's fee. Pay 50.
Oh my my God, you are such bad luck for me.
Gotta pay.
How dare you? I'm not paying you. Why do I pay you? I gotta pay the bank.
I'm the bank.
You are Hopey, okay?
I am a bank. I am a safe full of monies.
I cannot with you. I literally cannot. I cannot. I'm dying. I'm dead.
No, you're not.
No, I'm not. Are you sure?
Yeah.
You're only supposed to roll 2. How many did you roll?
2.
You sure? Which ones?
These 2.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Look what that say. Collect 200.
I already gave you your monies. Thank you. You put it away when I gave it to you. Now you need to move your 6 spaces, land on my property, and pay up, yo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, that's me.
How much?
That's me.
How much
Okay.
money?
Okay.
How much money?
I'm looking, child.
Oh my God, how much money?
12 whole dollars.
Oh, that's not bad.
Are you serious?
That's not bad. That's not bad. To be honest, I want change. I am giving you $20.
Oh, you better give me your boogie board for Monopoly math then.
Okay.
Gotta help me figure out how much change I owe you. Dear. You can write it.
What do I need to write?
20 minus 12.
So what's your word?
Do that Monopoly math, kid. You can do it.
But these aren't zeros.
I know. So now you gotta actually figure it out.
What does this move up to? What does this move up to?
Baby, a 0 cannot be a 0. What does it turn into? So then,
I did my calculations. Hello! Welcome to Dora's Stationery.
I cannot with you.
Okay. We'll be learning math by Monopoly. So me and my mother are playing Monopoly.
Can you just do it? Can you just do it?
I have to do math to see how much change I can get. So
If you get it wrong, that's how much I'm gonna give you. Unless it's more than I'm supposed to give you. So don't cheat. And don't get it wrong.
Okay. I got 8. So I am going to put it right here. What is?
What is what this?
Okay. So we are going to be learning what 2 minus 1.
No, we're not. Because you forgot to steal from it again.
Steal from it. Oh. Is it a 2?
No.
Is it a 10?
When you make the 0 into a 10, the number in front of it goes down by 1. Every time. No matter what the place is.
So 1 minus 1 equals 0. So I want $8, please.
Dun 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 dun. She got it right, folks. How dare you? Take your trash money. Your garbage. Your garbejo.
No,
It's not garbejo.
I need $8 to pay for my family's food.
Oh, whatever. I wish you could buy a family food for $8. It's not happening.
Like everything was like $1.
9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, dear Lord. I believe you own that property.
Yes.
How dare you?
You owe me 1,000. Which one is it?
The one on top?
You owe me $22.
Why are you always snaking me?
I want $21. Or
Is it 21 or 22?
$22. Or I'm gonna kill. Oh wait, and I'm going to.
Fart?
Yeah. And you're.
Well, you already farted. Does this mean I get to keep my money?
No, or else I am going
To fart some more?
fart all
You're
around this house.
You're gonna write me a fart masterpiece?
Or I fart all around this
Here.
house.
That was
Thank
the last
you.
transaction. The game is over. You must count your monies and your properties and tell me that you won. Because I know you did.
Let me go get a calculator.
Psh. Look it. This is my sad money tray. This is my sad property tray. There's Hopey's property. And let me see your money tray. Hopey's money tray, which has much more monies than
Let's
me.
just say I won already. Let's not even count.
There's no let's just say. I'm pretty sure that's the fact.
Yeah.
The end.